Okay, I am ready. Sure. There are some places that you can eat in maybe downtown, and also it depends if you want typical food. Downtown is a perfect place that you can eat there. Sure. Tourists actually they really love nature. They also like to visit historical places in Bogota. So um maybe most of the places that the tourists visit is Monserrate, and that's a very typical place that they can visit, and they will choose that because it's up in the mountains. So I think it will be a very good place to choose. Okay. Tell me, what is the next question? Culture activities, yes, they there is one that people or families really enjoy is the ciclovia. That's one of the activities, and also they like to go downtown to see a lot of dramas, a lot of cultural activities like people singing and playing instruments. So I think those are the activities the family they enjoy to do. That's right. Thank you. Next question. Can you repeat that again, please? Dishes, do you mean by food? Yes, one that really the people really enjoy is they like to have ajiaco. That's a very typical dish here in Bogota. It's a soup. It's a kind of soup. So I think they will enjoy that dish. Another one is bandeja paisa, but that's from Medellin. But actually, they also choose a lot of that to eat here because it's new, because it's very typical dish. Okay, one moment. There's a plane going by. Okay, I'm ready. Question number 6. Remember that there are 15 questions. I'm ready. Do you have it? I don't know if you copy my question number 6. Okay, but I remember that I am the one who have to answer. But the question number six is which restaurants do you recommend to try Colombian um, food? And the restaurant that I recommend is one in downtown. That's right. Do you have question number seven for me? This is the question you have to ask me. Memorable travel. A memorable travel that I had was when there something typical that I really enjoy doing in Bogota is that wait, I'm not done. It's when I finish, I go downtown to see um, dramas and plays that people from other countries come and bring. And there is a Plaza de Bolivar where you can stay there and look at the dramas and plays that you can watch. That's right. I'm ready for next question. I already answered that one. Go ahead. Do you have the next question? I would love to go to San Andres. I think that's a very special place where I have not been there, but I heard that it's a very beautiful place to go and visit. Yes. Question number next one. I don't know what is the next question that you have for me. Mm, I don't have that question on my uh, list of questions that I gave you. Can I repeat the question that I gave you? Number 10? Yes. Question number 10 was, could you let me know where is Monserrate? Yes, but that was the question that you have to ask me to so I can answer it. Yes, to go there to Monserrate, you have to take you can take different transportation. You can go by bus, or there is a route, Transmilenio, that will give you very close to Monserrate place. Okay, question number 11. Do you have it? That was not question number 11. Do you know what is the weather right now in Bogota? That was the question number 11. Can you tell me in Celsius, please? Yes, it is. But remember that those questions you have to ask me. Do you have question number 12 for me? A perfect day in Bogota will be with very nice hot weather and with very nice people around that you can go and drink and have some coffee or have some ice cream. That's a perfect day in Bogota. Question number 13. I answered that one already. I told you that I will go to San Andres. Can you tell me a different one? That's true. The coffee area is a beautiful place to visit, and I would love to visit there because I haven't seen it. I don't know how it looks like, the landscape. Okay, question number 14. Um, I think it will be um I think it will be Botero. He's a very interesting person that I would love to be with and chat and have a good conversation because of the figures and why he was thinking about those big monuments that he always make with clay and the artist that he makes with the las gordas de Botero. That's right. And the last question, number 15, do you have it for me? A new skill in what? Oh, I will pick to be a chef. I'm not a good cook, so I think it will be very nice to be a good chef so I can prepare good plates for me and have a special diet with the special plates. That's right. Thank you so much and have a good evening. Bye bye.